All rise. Support Court with Judge Vonda B is now in session. Judge's case number JVB1084, Daniel's case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right, Mr. Clough,
Yes,
you're back, except today you're the petitioner. Looks like we found mom.
Finally found her.
Okay, finally found her. What can I do for you today?
Well, Your Honor, I'm here to get some justice. I think it's time that I...
Welcome to Support Court with Judge Vonda B, and buckle up. Today's case pits a working dad who's been holding it down alone for 8 months against a mom who hasn't paid or visited, but flaunts 6 figures in cosmetic surgery. Will the judge finally make her pay, or will she talk her way out? Let's dive in.
Giving out
What do you mean by that?
money. I've been giving so much money and she hasn't even been here.
Right.
You know?
Well, before we really get started, are the kids in the car with the dog again today?
Kids aren't in the car, Your Honor. The dog got hit, so he's in a doggy wheelchair.
Okay,
So
all right. Well, I'm sorry to hear that about the dog, but the kids are fine.
they're with the neighbor.
Okay, good. Just wanted to make sure. So what's been going on? I mean, it's been a few months since I've seen you.
Right.
So it looks like you were here, back when you
Don't
were
look at
here,
me
they
like
had
that.
excuse me?
She just looking at me crazy.
I'll make it easier for you. You focus on me.
Right here, you see Mr. CL explaining he's been paying out of pocket for his kids, covering health insurance on a McDonald's manager's salary. This is real-world parental sacrifice. He's not just asking for money, he's asking for accountability. Viewers, would you keep footing the bill this long if the other parent vanished?
Right.
Excuse me.
Sorry, Judge.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it. This is your
he
first
gets my
time here
blood
today.
boilings.
And if I remember correctly, you filed the lawsuit on him previously and
I
had
did.
the audacity not to show up. So you definitely need to pipe down.
Okay, I chose money though.
Okay, well, you may have, and we're going to get into that and see how much money you probably are going to be paying on child support, but we want to, oh my gosh.
You see? God don't like ugly.
Oh,
You know what? You talking about you?
God
there.
don't like
maybe.
ugly.
You know, this happens every now and then when the weather is bad outside.
No, it
Things
ain't the
happen
weather,
in
it's her.
court.
And
Well,
that
no,
evil
the weather
spirit
is bad
that she got.
outside.
You know what? Talk to the
Okay.
judge. Don't direct none over him.
Okay, what she just said is right, all right? But I'm not agreeing with you in the sense that, you know what I mean? Let me tell him to be quiet and talk to me only.
I got
All
you,
right,
Judge.
Mr. Clough, continue.
When mom rolls her eyes and interrupts, Judge Vonda instantly clamps down. Pipe down. That's not just sass, that's courtroom control. Judges don't tolerate disrespect because it signals you're not taking the process seriously. This is a classic warning shot. Ever seen someone lose a case just by acting out?
Continue. So, as I was saying, it's been a few months. So the kids have been with you, looks like it's been about 7 or 8 months now,
Yes, Your Honor.
all right? So in this 7 or 8 months, has mom been paying?
Have you been paying?
Well, no,
No,
that's
she
not how this
hasn't,
works.
Your
That's not how this works.
She hasn't been paying.
All right.
She has not been paying.
Has she at least been visiting with the children?
She hasn't visited the children, but she visited that man in jail that she ran off with.
Oh, the one that was in the car that you
In the
really couldn't
Cutlass,
see?
yeah.
The Cutlass. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right.
He got arrested not too long after I saw you for the PPP loan. Is that correct?
No,
That's how she
is
got that.
incorrect. That's incorrect.
She got what? What's that?
You know, from the last time. She got the booty in the booty.
What they call it something though.
Yeah, the BBL. She know.
Oh,
Why you telling my business?
People.
Here comes the gut punch. Dad testifies mom hasn't visited the children once, but she has been to see a jailed boyfriend. That detail flips sympathy instantly. It's the kind of revelation judges file away as credibility proof. How do you defend being loyal to a boyfriend but ghosting your own kids?
Need to know.
People don't need to know nothing. That's for the gram.
Anyway, Your Honor.
I mean, I wanted to know, but you know, we're not here for that. We're not here for that. I'm not
Right.
going to be petty. So, you are seeking to put mom on child support.
I am.
All right, and health insurance. Who's covering it? Well, I would assume she's not. Are you covering health insurance? Are they on Medicaid? What's going on?
Well, I wasn't at first, but I got a promotion at work.
All right, congratulations.
I appreciate that.
All right.
I may be a manager at the McDonald's, so I'm making a little bit more, and I was able to put 2 of the kids on insurance, but not all of them.
Okay.
Just can't cover that many.
All right. So the other ones, what are they doing?
Well, my other job kind of covers that as well.
Okay. All right. So at least all of the children are insured.
They are.
All right. How much is that insurance total for the kids only?
On McDonald's or the other job?
No, just in total.
Notice how Dad calmly lists the costs. $350 for health insurance, 2 jobs, full custody. This matters because in child support calculations, whoever provides insurance gets credit. The judge is mentally adding that up right here. Viewers, do you think he's about to get a break, or will Mom still dodge responsibility?
You shouldn't pay child support today.
A little bit of both, Judge. But I'm
not interested in whether you're here to be pretty or not. That has nothing to do with my ruling. You understand that, right?
I do, Judge.
All right,
But
so
I should be
let's
pretty
say,
for you.
well, let's stick to the facts. I could care less how you look.
Okay, Judge. Let's get to the facts.
Please do.
The fact
and quickly, without all the extra.
Not extra at all. The fact is, Judge, I had these children for 10 years before I put them on your doorstep. He was barely doing anything. That's why I petitioned the court, Judge.
Okay, well, here's the deal. You petitioned.
Yeah.
He showed up. You
He did.
didn't. I
I
dismissed
had an
it.
opportunity, Judge. Had to take it.
Okay. And could you do me a favor? Could you, if you're going, I don't allow gum chewing, but if you don't have anywhere to put it, I would suggest
Can I
you
swallow?
at least.
I'm good at that. Yeah.
When Miss Daniels tries to play coy, I'm here to be pretty, Judge Vonda cuts her off with laser precision. I could care less how you look. That's a viral moment. It's the bench reminding everyone, family court is about kids, not image. This judge isn't buying Instagram energy.
No, let's hear her side of the story because I'm pretty sure she's gonna say some interesting stuff about finance.
Judge, Cliff don't know nothing. Listen, understand that I got at least, 6 figures in the bank.
Oh, okay.
Had
You know.
6 figures in the bank.
You said what now?
Mr. Clough, again,
federal dollars take
I'm
it.
not,
I put it
excuse me, Miss
overseas.
Daniels, when I speak, both of you be quiet. Mr. Clough, there will be no more outbursts, okay? I understand you both are frustrated, emotions are high, but let me get through this hearing, okay? Because if I can't get through it, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna reset it. And I know neither one of you wanna pay for court parking again, right?
I don't.
You don't wanna take off your work, right?
Only one of us will be here.
Okay, but you want some sort of relief, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in order for me to do that, I have to hear the facts. Now, Ms. Daniels, again, continue.
So, like I said,
No, let me direct you really quick. You're getting ready to talk about the
Listen carefully as Mom brags about 6 figures in the bank. In family court, that's a self-own. Judges base support on your own testimony, so she just gave the court ammunition. Why brag about money when you're behind on supporting 5 kids? The audacity is off the charts.
well, it kind of just depends on the year and how many promotions I get, how many companies want to invest in me. So, it just depends. Anywhere between,
When are you gonna answer my question?
Judge, it's a difficult question for me. Because, sometimes I can have a promotion that's $500, or I can have a promotion that's 50,000 plus. So,
Ms. Daniels, you know I don't have a lot of time, right? I have other cases I need to get here.
I do understand.
Right, so you obviously came here to waste my time.
I didn't.
You did, because I asked you a very simple question. On
Judge, I have a
average,
simple answer.
on average,
On average.
how much do you make in a year?
Judge, I'd like to say about, maybe about 30 to 100K.
Okay, 30 to 100,000?
Yeah.
So we just gonna take the high end so we can keep this moving because you came here to waste my time and I do not have time to play with
oh
you.
My gosh, Judge.
And is this from an employer or are you self-employed?
I
What do
am
we do?
self-employed.
All right.
I do influence.
What do you influence?
I influence the world.
You clearly aren't influencing, you said the world?
The world.
Well, that doesn't include these 5 children because you don't even go and see them, right?
It's just been the last.
Here, Mom pivots to being an influencer, but the judge drills down, what do you influence? Then slams her for influencing everyone but her own children. This is both a legal and moral takedown. In court, vague income claims trigger high estimates. Would you call this a self-sabotage move?
Briefly, make it quick.
Quickly, in the last few months, it has been a downtrend due to inflation and all that stuff. People aren't paying as much.
How much was your BBL?
I didn't pay for that.
How much was it? How much was it?
I mean, you know, I got more than the BBL. I had tube sock titties, so I got the boobies, then I got the booty, and then I got all that. So he probably paid $35, $40.
$1,000?
Yeah, he did.
Oh
though.
yeah, let me hurry up and get you out of here with these numbers.
but I didn't pay
You are
that.
about to pay child support. You have 5 children total, or do you have other children outside of these 5 that are under the age of 18?
No, I don't.
Okay,
They're grown.
so just the 5 children, right?
Yes.
All right, so 5
yeah.
children, that is going to be at the 40%. And you said health insurance was about $350, right?
Yes, Shauna.
All right. So your child support, you're looking at monthly. So with your testimony being on the high end of $100,000, that's what I just based your child support off of. So, I mean, well, I was going to make it higher than that and do it like the $350,000. Then that would make you cap out. But
I think you should do that.
well,
No.
if I have to accept her testimony is true, but I don't really think that it's going to help her too much because her child support is still going to be pretty hefty. So I have your gross at $8,333.33. That brings your net to $6,512.07. So $6,512 times the 40%. That brings your child support amount to $2,006.
This is the money shot, literally. Judge Vonda takes mom's high-end claim of $100K and plugs it into the formula. 40% for 5 kids plus $350 insurance credit. Result? Nearly $3,000 a month. That's the price of ducking your kids while flaunting luxury. The bench just flipped the script.
$604.
Is that a week, Your Honor?
How often are you paid? Are you paid by the day? You paid by the month? How are you paid?
Judge, it just depends. I would
She
say
just
no.
answered my question. That's a monthly amount.
I mean, that's
How
great.
she's
Monthly.
paid, it'll just break down, but the amount is $2,604 plus.
I can give you that.
Plus
You need it.
$350 reimbursement for the children, so that brings your monthly rate to $2,954.
I got it. Can the kids stay with him now?
That's
I got
right.
The
something to
kids
do.
will continue to live with him because that's
That's
who they live with, and obviously
They can stay.
you care more about a BBL than them.
That's
Right.
not true.
And we don't know when she's gonna run off again with the next guy.
No, next guy. I'm good.
It'll be a caprice this
I'm
time.
good.
Oh, okay. So we're good with the numbers then. Is there anything
Great.
further? All right, is there?
And there it is. Kids stay with dad. Mom pays almost $3,000 a month. The judge calls out her priorities and locks in the numbers. This case shows how fast courtroom bravado can backfire when the receipts come out. If that had you yelling at your screen, drop a comment below. Who do you think really won this case? And don't forget to subscribe. We break down real courtroom chaos every week.